Hello, you're watching the Unit B Concept 5 video from Mrs. Cremines' Language Arts class. After watching this video, you should be able to revise sentences to create parallel structure. Using sentences with parallel structure creates balance and a pleasing rhythm in your writing. Writing has a parallel structure when two or more words, phrases, or clauses have the same grammatical structure. Which of the sentences below flow more smoothly? Anissa slipped off the stool, dropped the bowl, and spilling soup everywhere. Or, Anissa slipped off the stool, dropped the bowl, and spilled soup everywhere. Hopefully you noticed that the second version of the sentence sounded better. When you combine short sentences by using compound parts, be sure that the grammatical forms are parallel. We'll take a look at how this works. Here we have the original sentences. The hot soup dripped from the table. It spread onto the floor and made a mess that was sticky. Here is how the sentences would look when combined without having parallel structure. Dripping from the table as it spread onto the floor, the hot soup made a sticky mess. Here is how the sentences would be combined using parallel structure. Dripping from the table and spreading onto the floor, the hot soup made a sticky mess. It's practice time. Read the sentences and write the number of the part that does not follow parallel structure in your SSS notes. Then, in the second column, rewrite the part to follow parallel structure with the previous parallel items. For the one sentence that is already parallel, write correct. Here is an example so you understand what you are expected to do. We have the example sentence, choosing a topic takes time, patience, and completing a lot of research. Number 3 does not follow parallel structure. Number 3 should be rewritten to be research because number 1 and number 2 are one-word nouns. Number 1. The librarian always suggests paper topics and is answering our questions. Number 2. Does Carla like going to the library or to work at home? Number 3. She did research, brainstormed ideas, and was narrowing her topic. Number 4. Nervous but feeling excitement, Carla began writing her report. Number 5. Kimberly won't date Terry because he is too short, is the most impolite man she has ever met, and too noisy. And number 6. Pasta boiling in water, tomato sauce simmering in the pan, and garlic bread baking in the oven welcomed Francis as he opened the door. Pause the video now and complete the practice examples. Once you are finished, resume the video to check your answers. For practice example number 1, you should have the number 2 written in the first column and rewrite that incorrect part as answers. For number 2, you could have revised either element. You could have written number 1 in the first column and changed that incorrect part to go, or you could have written number 2 in the first column and changed that incorrect part to working. For number 3, the incorrect part was number 3 and it should have been changed to narrowed. For number 4, the incorrect part was 2. You should have rewritten it in the second column to be excited. For number 5, the incorrect number was also 2, and it should have been rewritten to be too polite. And practice example number 6 was correct as it was. Hopefully you did well in this exercise. If you did, you may take the Unit B Concept 5 Mastery Quiz on Unmodo if you have internet access. Please complete the summary and question sections of your WISC on lined notebook paper and place it in your Language Arts binder. Come to class prepared to discuss the objective with your classmates.